Hello everyone, welcome to episode 10 of Sunday Buys, where we buy crypto every single Sunday with a public portfolio, reviewing price points and what to buy. And in today's video, we are spending $300. So leave a like down below if you enjoy the video, and let's get straight into the portfolio. Okay, so the portfolio is currently worth $2,258, all-time profit $287. That is very impressive. It's not profit taking, but it is positive price movement. I don't expect price to move towards the end of the year. It's better than being down. Let's just say that. Now let's go to actual profit in cryptos that we have in the portfolio. And the only two that are actually down is QNT and XRA. And instead of actually buying green candles, let's buy the cryptos that are down. Okay, so if we look at the QNT chart dating back a year to August 2022, we've only been under $100 for times. The first time was the 27th of August 2022, and it lasted 13 days. From a weekly dollar cost average standpoint, that is not long at all. The second time was the 26th of May. It lasted 1 day, even shorter. The third time was the 15th of June, lasting 2 days. And recently, I think it was yesterday, we only lasted a couple hours under $100. And that's why these positions are so valuable, because everyone else realizes that. They set limit orders at these 100, 99, 98, 97 positions, and they get filled up instantly, along with myself setting up orders. Next up, we have NXRA. Now, it's different with this crypto to QNT, as it hasn't been around long enough to understand what positions are valuable, as it's only been around since March 2023. Also, it is a lower cap cryptocurrency, so you don't have to be too picky with price points as long as you're not buying a green candle. And trying to fill in the gaps, we can see the old legacy token ALBT was around these sort of levels from August 2022. It's also important to note that the new NXRA token, the max supply has been reduced from 1 billion to 850 million. So these price points are even more advantageous. And there's not much else to be said, so let's just buy the cryptocurrency. That is really the simplicity of the series. Go in exchange, buy, then go about your day. You don't have to check your portfolio every single day. You don't have to check the markets every single day. You simply deposit, buy, send to your cold wallet, and move on. That is just the simplicity of dollar cost averaging. So on the exchange KuCoin, $300 split in half for QNT and XRA. So 50%, we can see here by QNT. It will slowly go through. Then we're going to move on to NXRA once it is finally gone through. There we go. So let's see where we are. NXRA, USDT, favorited already. Rest of the portfolio 100% purchased. Oh, 149 minute max amount. Let me just change that very quickly. Buy crypto. There we go. And so the final portfolio is worth $2,552. This is growing immensely. We can see here on a portfolio snapshot of every single episode up until this point growing exponentially. I saw a video on TikTok the other day of someone investing in stocks over a 3-year period from May 2020 to today's date. Invested around over 30 grand worth and made £90 in profit just till today. You know, I'm all about the long-term vision, but you'd be better off putting a savings account or even investing in the safe, very safe cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you still be up 2 or a 3x on those investments from those dates. So when it comes to what market we are in the correct one, which is crypto. We are not just in the correct market, we are in the correct time period. We know the crypto market is comparable to the 1980s stock market. It was immature, huge gains were made, huge speculative peak, huge bear market, most of the stocks fading away, a few surviving like Apple, just like what we see with crypto. A lot of the cryptos fading away and only a few really thriving and surviving. So are we invested in the correct cryptos? And with my years of research, I believe that I invested in the correct ones. And if I am wrong, I've only got myself to blame. So taking that we got the correct market, the correct time period, the correct cryptos, when will I take profit with these cryptos? And I've stated when all these cryptos, these 6 cryptos in my portfolio, reach all-time high, I will take 50% profit to play it safe and maximize returns. The other 25%, I will take profit QNT at 1K per QNT, HBAR the 50 to 60 cent ranges, XDC 40 to 50 cent ranges, API free 10 to 20 cent ranges, DAG the same, NXRA 50 to 60 cent ranges, and for the other remaining 25%, I will go with my gut feeling with a good balance of taking profit and the other half of not getting exited out of the market. And it will be different from my private portfolio as I have a lot more crypto on there. I'm holding more for the long term, but an adequate amount of profit will still be taken. Let me know down below, do you think 50% profit at all-time high is too much? Is it too little? I feel like it depends on how much money you actually have invested in the market in total and what your expectations are of the future. Also, before I go away, the giveaway winner is shown on screen with proof of the amount actually being sent. A lot of people try to message me, pretend to actually be the winner when there actually weren't. They were scammers in place. And also in the comments below, there were scammers pretend to be me. I will not message you on WhatsApp or try and take you on another app. I will not be doing that in the comment section. So beware of that. But it made this a fun video. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.